What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for all the support I've been receiving, for all the likes, subscribers. Today I'm going to be installing a Grimmspeed drop-in air filter for the STI over there, in which they say that I think it has like 9 torque and like 6 wheel horsepower. So I'm actually super interested on how it's going to feel with this, just with just this drop-in air filter. Plus they say it doesn't require like any additional tuning, so you could just run a stock. So I'm super excited for that. And I also wanted to show you guys that I have actually installed a sub for the car. I actually just got it back today. And so my car already comes with a Harman Kardon. It comes with that like little small sub right there. You can see it right there. But I wanted a little bit more since in the WRX I had my other sub. Those are the controllers right there. I'll show you guys the back. Car's a mess. Don't mind that. So I'm gonna clean this whole back end. I don't want anything interfering with that sub. But this is what I'm running. It's a 12-inch kicker comp VX. And I'll show you the other parts over here. Let's see. So I'm running an epicenter. This is how it looks. That's that. That honestly makes a huge difference to whatever song you're trying to listen to, guys. I really recommend that. And then I'll show you guys my amp. This one does the job. It's not anything crazy, but it's pretty good. I kind of like it because it lights up blue and stuff. It's only 1,200 watts, but I honestly don't know anything about like sub installing or whatever, but my homies at Audio Solutions hooked it up. Huge shout out to Marco and Brian for hooking it up. Great job, really recommend them. But yeah, guys, that's that. Anyways, back to the Grimmspeed drop-in air filter. Let me pop the head real quick. I was gonna do like a before and after, like on the speed or whatever, but nah. You guys already know how stock STIs run, and I'll be able to tell you guys if I notice anything different. So I think what I'm gonna have to be removing is this piece right here. So it's just these 2 clips right here, and then I'll just slide it out and then open this up, take that one out, and then slide the other one in. Let me show you guys the product. I got this from Grimmspeed. So this is how the box looks right there, and this is the product. And they send it with a sticker and I believe a thank you card. Pretty cool. So anyways, I'm gonna be taking that thing apart and then just sliding this thing in real quick. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so this process is gonna be super fast, guys. Just take that thing out, and then this is how it was. I just slid it right out. Now it's time to just put the Grimmspeed one in and then put that thing. Just remember how you took this one out, so you put the other one the same way. Because I don't think it would even fit the other way, so you can't really mess this up. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you them side by side. So this is the stock one, and the Grimmspeed one. This is a lot more open. This one's just, I don't know, just not breathable. So I'm honestly hoping this adds like a lot of difference, at least something that you could feel the difference in, you know. I have heard that you could hear a little bit of turbo noise with the Grimmspeed one, so that would be a good bonus. After you take off your stock drop-in air filter, make sure to look into the box to see if there's any like dirt or, you know, dust, whatever. I vacuumed mine because there was a little bit of like leaves and stuff, so I did and vacuumed it, and then I just tossed this thing in. There it is. Now we just have to shut it up, and that's it, guys. So I'll turn the car on right now and then leave it running for a little bit, and we'll go on a little test drive for you guys. Alright, guys, now let's just start her up, see how she sounds, see if we don't get any check engine lights, which we shouldn't have, so let's see. Okay, I could hear a lot more turbo noise. Let's go see over here. Okay, definitely you could hear a lot more like intake noise. This is gonna be interesting on how much we actually hear when we drive. I just let this thing warm up. we'll let this thing idle for like 5 minutes just so the ECU adapts to it or whatever, which it shouldn't, because I mean, according to Grimmspeed, it should be able to run with the stock ECU. So we'll just see right now. Okay, right now we're just gonna cruise it on eco mode, just around the city limits, and then we'll put it in a sport sharp mode, and then maybe hit a couple back roads or something. No check engine light, motor sounds fine. I don't really see anything bad. Okay, so far so good, guys. I could hear a little bit more turbo noise from the intake, but nothing insane. Sharp mode for you guys. Put it down to second gear. Set it for a second. Feels pretty good. Expecting a little bit more, but hey, I mean, it's just a drop-in air filter. Let me see if you guys could hear the intake noise. Oh, you can't hear that thing. Then freaking exhaust is too loud. Especially because I have that cutout valve that I don't know if you guys seen. I made a video on that. So the cutout valve basically sits almost like right under the driver's seat. So if there is any turbo noise over there, I'm not gonna be able to hear it. That's all good. But I'm gonna drive this thing a little bit more, and then I'll get back to you guys, see what my overall thoughts are on this product. Thoughts on this product. I really can't tell if it's actually faster or not, but I will go with what Grimmspeed says. There's probably is a difference, but I just don't feel it, you know, but just because it's so minimal. But I mean, the intake little sound does sound pretty nice, just for a drop-in air filter or whatever. But other than that, if I would really recommend this product, I mean, if you don't want to tune your STI, I will definitely recommend it. I mean, try to get as much horsepower as you can without a tune. But plus, I mean, it's they say it's reliable, so I'll take their word for it. I mean, it's a pretty good brand, you know. Grimmspeed is a pretty big company, so I would definitely do it. I mean, it's 50, 60 bucks. I mean, that's nothing. And it'd probably make the engine run better, honestly. So I would definitely do that. If you guys have any questions on this product, make sure to leave them down below. I will make sure to get to them and answer them. But anyways, like this video up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more content on the STI and my C43 AMG. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.